Hello, class. Today we're going to do a number talk on multiplication. And let me show you the problem, and then I'm going to give you a couple minutes to try to solve it. 9 times 7. So on your papers, solve 9 times 7. Now that we have waited a couple minutes for everyone to get done, will someone please raise your hand and tell me what answer you got for the problem? Austin.
63.
Austin got 63. And Chloe, what did you get? 63. All right. Now, these are the only answers we have, and they seem to be the same answers. Let's put these answers up on the board. So we know Austin got 63, and so did Chloe. Now, Austin, can you please come up to the board and show us how you found the answer 63? Okay, and then you did 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So 9, how many times did you add 9?
7.
And did you add this on your paper, or did you just do that in your head?
Head.
In your head. Okay, Chloe, please come up to the board and show us how you found 63. I drew 9 in this row. And then 7 this way. And then 9 all the way across. And then after I drew all of my circles, I counted all of them, which gave me 63. But on my paper, I counted it a kind of different way. I didn't just count in my head. So I know there's 9 here, and then plus 9 more, 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 and 63. Okay, thank you so much, Chloe. Now, let me show you how I solved this answer. Okay, so we have 9 times 7. How I solved this was breaking my 9 into 5 plus 4. This equals 9. So then I know that I need to multiply these by 7. To make this seem a little bit more simple, I can write it like this. 5 times 7 plus 4 times 7 equals. And then I know that 5 times 7 is 35. And then I add that to 4 times 7, which I know is 28. And then I'm going to add these together. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 3, 4, 5, 6, 63, which gives me my answer of 63. So I'm going to give everybody a minute to look at this. And can somebody tell me what other numbers I could have used besides 5 and 4 to break down 9? What other two numbers would add together to equal 9? Austin, what do you think?
7 plus 2.
7 plus 2 would work, or maybe even 8 and 1 would work too. So now that we know that, let's try another problem. So again, I'm going to write the problem on the board and give you some time to solve it. 13 times 7. Now this time, try to use the strategy that we just saw, the one that I just showed you. I'll give you a few minutes and then we'll come back together as a class. Okay, now that everyone has had some time to solve our problem, can someone please tell me what answer you got? Austin, what did you get?
91.
And Chloe, how about you? 91. Okay, Austin, would you like to come up and show us all how you've solved your problem? And if you don't care, try to talk us through a little bit of your problem. Okay, so come up to the board. Why did you use the numbers 6 and 7?
Because 6 plus 7 equals 13.
Does this make it easier for you to multiply those numbers by 7?
Yeah.
Okay, now show us what you're going to do next. Okay, now can you tell us why you wrote 6 times 7 plus 7 times 7?
Because if you get 6 times 7 and you get that answer, and 7 times 7 is 49, you add 42 times 49, it gives you 91.
Okay, can you show us that on the board how you did that? And can you tell us why you have a 9 right here?
Because 9 times 2 is 11.
9 times 2 is 11?
Well, 9 plus 2 is 11. You carry the 1, and 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 4 is 9.
Okay, good job. And I would like to thank all of you for participating, and I think we've had a great number talk. We will see you next time.